Hello editors, in this brief guide I'll walk you through how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop, using Adobe's official 7-day trial. To begin, click the official link in this video's description. It will take you directly to Adobe's free trial page for Premiere Pro. Once there, you can start your 7-day trial, which gives you full access to all of Premiere Pro's professional video editing tools. No limitations, no watermarks. During the setup, you'll also have the option to activate a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock. If selected, you'll receive 10 high-quality assets, including stock footage and templates, which are a great addition to your editing arsenal. Even if you cancel before the trial ends, you'll still keep those assets. You'll be asked to sign in or create an Adobe account. Adobe does require a payment method to initiate the trial, but no charges will be made as long as you cancel before the trial period ends. This is a risk-free process, and I recommend setting a reminder to avoid any unexpected billing. Once your account is set up, Adobe will guide you through the installation process. You'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app, which makes managing all Adobe software installations a breeze. Simply locate Premiere Pro, click Install, and you're good to go. Depending on your internet speed, the installation should only take a few minutes. And that's it. Adobe Premiere Pro is now ready to use, completely free for 7 days. This is an excellent opportunity to explore the software, test your workflow, or start editing a short project without any upfront cost. Enjoy your free trial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and software walkthroughs. Do you have questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to assist. Thank you for watching and enjoy your editing experience.